Okay, this inequality, we'll split it into two pieces. It's 10 is less than negative 2x plus 6, or negative 2x plus 6 is less than 20. So either way we write it, both are true. In fact, they're true at the same time. It's called a double inequality. The first step to solving it, we'll solve this one on the left in red. And we're going to subtract 6 from both sides. We'll get 4 is less than negative 2x. We're going to divide both sides by 2. When we do that, the sign will flip. So instead of being in this position, we'll flip it around. So it'll say negative 2 is greater than x. And so let's plot this on the number line. X is less than negative 2. So let's say that this is negative 2 right here. And we'll do an open circle. And it'll go to the left because it's x is less than negative 2. And then this next part we'll solve in blue. And so the first step would be subtract 6 from both sides. And we'll get a positive 14. So it'll be negative 2x is less than 14. We'll divide both sides by negative 2. So you get x is greater than negative 7. So the sign flipped again. When we divided by a negative, we flipped the sign. So it's x is greater than negative 7. Let's plot that on the number line. X is greater than negative 7. Let's say that this is negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, open circle, going this way, because it's x is greater than negative 7. So the solutions to the inequality all exist in this region from here to here. So for example, not including 7 means we could have negative 6.9. That would be a solution to the inequality. Or, for example, not including 2 means we could have negative 3, or something of that nature. Okay.